is one of those disorders which result to a large extent from too sedentary habits. It is often regarded with great concern by those who are the unfortunate sufferers from it. Well, I bet it is. It must, however, be borne in mind that through a regular action of the bowels in the natural process, and undoubtedly most conducive to health, yet a certain proportion of persons do not get relief so often, possibly only third or fourth day, and yet remain in excellent health and live as long as other people, about 23 or 24. The harmlessness or otherwise of constipation depends to a great extent upon the intestinal secretions generally. If the retained faeces are comparatively dry and free from smell when passed, they are not nearly so harmful as when semi-fluid and high-smelling.